There's a recent report that out of 4 DNA tests that have been carried out in Nigeria, one will come out negative. What in our maybe say? If 4 men carry their children go do DNA test, one will come out negative. In other words, one out of those 4 men, they train pikin will not be home. One out of those 4 men, the house pikin will not be home. One out of those 4 men, they cater for pikin will not be home. What is it?
Report from a forensic lab called Smart DNA is revealing that apparently 1 in 4 Nigerian men who did paternity testing in the last year were not the biological fathers of the children being tested.
So, you see that video? It don't bad to that extent. It's so bad to that extent. And it is not going to get better. With the way things is going currently in Nigeria, it's not going to get better. It's not going to get better. Very soon it will be 3 out of 4. It will be 2 out of 4. With the moral, degeneralized society, we will be. This is not going to get better. But my question is, why be saying that men they cheat? Yes, now men they cheat. Everybody don't unanimously agree saying that men they cheat for a relationship. Now men they cheat, but now women they share DNA. Why? Just bring up DNA conversation between you and your partner, between you and your wife. Then you see her reaction. 70 to 80% of women will react negatively if that conversation comes up. But yet, now men they cheat. And it is not going to get better. I know of one man last year, one guy, who pursued a wife because of this DNA issue. According to the man, he said, right from the very first day we see that he pikin for hospital, you know see this child not be home. Right from the very first day, say you know see this pikin not be home. Say, can't give am benefit of doubt, you know. He bring up the issue, he raised the issue. He tell the wife, no, she don't agree. Say the wife insisted, say, now the man get her. Then, the more the daughter could grow, the girl, she was a baby girl. As she dey grow, the man could see this pikin no resemble me at all. So the man can follow the wife back with the DNA. Guess what? The DNA came out negative. And the most shocking part is that the lady in question, she know the father of the child. The lady know the father of the child. She know the father of the child. Then before you know it, she carry the girl, carry go give the man. That one do DNA now, confirm say na pikin. So you see, I go urge all men, if you don't dey born, if you don't get pikin, go do DNA for your pikin. Go do DNA for your children. Very, very important. That money wey you wan take throw party, naming ceremony party, you don't have to go do DNA. Some parents dey wey dey pay over 150,000 naira for toddler, for pikin wey never even fit dey read ABCD. Then you want to say you don't see money take go do DNA. You will cry last. Go do DNA for your children, go do DNA for your pikin. If na hospital dey for switch am, make you know. If na your wife don dey faithful to you, make you know. Very, very important. Now, wetin dem gonna give for relationship? Wetin dem gonna give for marriage? Because a lot of men actually dey into relationship, actually dey into marriage because of their children. Because they believe they are supposed to provide, protect, care for the children, care for the family. Now, imagine after you don't lay your life to take raise family, you can't discover say they not be your children. You can't discover say you are the father to those kids. It's disheartening, man. It is devastating. Some of the ways we say we should take combat this paternity fraud includes: number one, the government should put strict penalty against anybody who violate am. Against anybody who commit paternity fraud, the government should put strict penalty. If they switch your baby for hospital, you sue the hospital. If your wife carry pikin wey no be your own give you, you go sue your wife. you will pay for damages. Secondly, the price of DNA testing should be reduced. If government go fit subsidize am, make dem subsidize am, so that the average Nigerian go fit dey afford am. With that, this something go. Thirdly, DNA testing should be made compulsory at birth. Should be made compulsory. If they issue birth certificate they give you for hospital, DNA test results suppose follow am. With all this one and many more, with a morally sane society, I think these DNA issues we will combat am. What will be your reaction if after you don train pikin for years, after you don train child for years, you come discover say no be you get am? What will be your reaction? Drop it on the comment section.